Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily restart your iPhone. So actually, we do have two ways of doing so. The first one is using a simple turn off feature. So to do so, you have to take your phone in your hands and hold the volume up button and the power button. It will open your power menu and you have to slide here to power off your phone. But this is the first way, and for me the longer way. The shorter way and the quicker way is when your phone is unlocked, of course, like this. Click volume up, volume down, and then power. Of course, we have to do this one after another, not holding it, like as you can see, this and this, but we have to remember to hold the power button until we see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Of course, our phone will shut down in the meantime, but we have to hold our power button until we see the Apple logo. It's because our phone will just shut down. Then power up, or the volume up, volume down, and then power. As you can see now, we have this sidebar of menu without this SOS, etc. Don't worry. We have to hold the power button. Actually, it's side button, not the power button, but yeah, who cares. Here, as you can see now, we have the Apple logo, so we can lower our finger. And now we are all done. Now let's wait a moment until we see our phone boots up. And as you can see now, our phone is restarted. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. It's really important to us to have your feedback. Goodbye!